Hi, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be sharing with you my favorites from this year so far. So first off, I'd like to start off with the pre-shampoos, and I have used about 3. And so far, this is my favorite one. This is the one from Dr. Miracles, as you can see on the label. And to me, this one has great slip. I am able to detangle without a problem, and my fingers or whatever styling tool that I may use or detangling tool that I may use can glide through easily, and it doesn't leave my hair tangled at the end, and it allows my tangles to melt away. So that is a great thing for me. Now I will be moving on to the shampoos, and I will choose 2 shampoos out of all the shampoos that I've used over the years of me being on my natural hair care journey. And I will link a video. I will put the thumbnail right here so that you can check out all the shampoos that I've used. But I will show you the 2 that are my favorites, each from the different categories. So from the moisturizing shampoo section, it is empty, but I have this shampoo from African Pride Moisture Miracle. This is a clarifying shampoo that I love using as well. All that I've talked about in which shampoo works best for my hair, and like I said, I will link the video in the cards up above, and I will also put it in the description box down below. Now I love the African Pride shampoo just simply because it really allows my fingers to glide through my hair, and it allows me to detangle my hair while I'm in the shower, and it leaves my hair soft at the end. We all know what a clarifying shampoo does. It strips the hair of the moisture so that new moisture can come in when it's styling time, and I just find that this does a really good job. And also I find that I'm able to detangle a little bit with the clarifying shampoo that I have been using. So now we are going to move on into the deep conditioners. I have used a lot since I found out about the purpose of deep conditioners, and to be honest, this is a favorite of mine because it leaves my hair feeling very soft, and honestly, it's just something about it that attracts me to it. It leaves my hair soft. I'm able to detangle without any issues, and it's just, I don't know what else to say to it other than it's just Now we are moving on into the leave-in conditioners, and I have used quite a lot, but this one that I will put on the screen right here because I don't have a bottle with me right now is an ultimate favorite of mine because it works for my low porosity hair, and it melts into my hair, and it just leaves my hair feeling so soft and so hydrated. If I wanted to style my hair with just the leave-in conditioner, that would be my best bet because it just leaves my hair so moisturized. And if I put my hair in twists and leave it in, not only will my twists remain moisturized, but it will also have definition as well. So that is definitely a favorite of mine for that reason. And last but certainly not least, I will talk about the stylers that I have enjoyed using. So first off, we have this gel from Dr. Miracles. I find that it is a very lightweight gel, and the products that I have mixed it with don't flake. So if you want to see which products flake and don't flake, I will leave a short video that I did in the cards and in the description box down below, because I find that not every product works with this, and I don't want you guys having flakes or anything like that. So I suggest you check out that video after this one. And to be honest, I find that this is very lightweight, like I said, and although it has a high perfumey scent to it, it isn't overpowering, because once it's in your hair you don't smell it at all. Just like other products, you may put it in your hair, then the fragrance is in your hair for days, and it may irritate your nose depending on how sensitive your nose is. And I just also find that it works with my low porosity hair, because I don't get a lot of buildup as well. So that is why I have liked using this gel. And another product that I enjoy using is this cream from African Pride Moisture Miracle. If you guys have been on my channel for a while, you would know that this is a holy grail of mine, because it is so lightweight, and although it's a cream, it is not heavy. It's not to the point where it's weighing down your hair, but it's not to the point where you will need a lot to do your hair. It's just this perfect consistency, and it is so moisturizing, and honestly it defines my curls when I use it. Even if I'm not doing any twists or anything, just the simple fact that I am able to put it on my hair. Actually, this side of my hair was done with the African Pride Moisture Miracle Curling Cream, and I will put the thumbnail right here so that you can go and check out that comparison video. So this is just a holy grail of mine. It's moisturizing, it keeps my curls, it defines my curls. It lives up to its name, to be honest. It lives up to its name. It says it shapes, hydrates, and adds shine to natural curls and coils. And my personal experience, I agree 1000% with this. I definitely agree. If there's one product that lives up to its name, it's definitely this, for me, for sure. And the last product that I will talk about is the CAMILLE Naturals Almond Joy Twisting Butter. Now, I have only used this product once, and I fell absolutely in love with it. You know how sometimes products take a while to grow on someone, or you just don't like it at all? Well, I find that this butter, one, it isn't heavy. That's what I find. It is not heavy at all. You know, like how you will have butters that are heavy and weigh down your hair, especially if you have thin hair. It's not like that at all. If you have thin hair, I would suggest just using a little bit. And if you have hair like mine, I guess medium density type hair and the low porosity hair, honestly, I found that the product just melted into my hair. You didn't see any white, you know, like how you would have the product in your hair, and while you're twisting or braiding or doing any style, you have the white, I guess, residue on it. You wouldn't. Well, I found that when I used this, I didn't have any at all, and that's one of the reasons why I fell in love with this product. It definitely lived up to its name when it said a supremely soft styling butter with an indulgent nutty aroma, crafted to nourish and elongate tresses. It definitely does smell nutty, but it's not a strong smell. Like what I said with the African Pride Moisture Miracle, the scent is in your hair, but it's not overpowering to the point where if someone or even you have a sensitive nose, it wouldn't bother you. Not that I found, because I find that strong scents bother me and this one really doesn't. So honestly, this has become a new fave of mine. I will let you know if that changes at the end of the year, so stay tuned for that video. But anyway, that is the end of this short video. If you liked it, please leave a like, and if you want to see more natural hair content from me, definitely subscribe and turn on your post notifications so that you never miss an upload from me, and share this video with someone who is interested in natural hair content or who is interested in purchasing new natural hair products but has no idea where to start. I hope this video will help them, and yes, I will see you in my next one. Bye.